Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। आज के इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Now, if you want to have some fun, please stand up and come close to the TV. We will sing and dance. अब आपको अगर कोई मस्ती करनी है तो प्लीज खड़े हो जाए और टीवी से थोड़ा नजदीक आए। हम गाना भी गाएंगे और नाचेंगे भी। A B C D E F G, come on Sonu, read with me. H I J K L M N, count the books, we have 10. O P Q R S T U, I am reading, so are you. V and W X Y Z, give me the book you have read. Very good, students. I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, I would like all of us to learn a few new words. Our first word is come. 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 Neha asked, may I come in, teacher? Rahil loves to come at my place. Our second word is count. 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 Viha loves to count money. Our maths teacher asked us to count the numbers. The third word is books. 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 Books are our best friends. I like reading books. Our last word is give. 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 Trees give us shade and flowers. Can you give me a chocolate? Great! We learned 4 new words today. Let's revise them. Come, count, books, and give. Very good, students. Now, I will read a poem to you where you will find these words. Try to understand their meaning. अब मैं आपको एक पोयम बताऊंगी जिसमें ये शब्द हमें मिलेंगे। इन शब्दों का मतलब समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। Please remove your English textbook and open page number 46. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the word that I read. If you don't have a textbook, listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्टबुक है तो पेज नंबर 46 खोलिए और उन शब्दों पे उंगली रखिए जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ। अगर आपके पास टेक्स्टबुक नहीं है तो ध्यान से सुनिए। A B C D E F G, come on Sonu, read with me. HIJKLMN. Count the books. We have 10. OPQRSTU. I am reading, so are you. VNWXYZ. Give me the books you have read. Isn't this a fun poem? It's called an alphabet song. Let's read it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come on, Sonu, read with me. HIJKLMN. Count the books. We have 10. OPQRSTU. I am reading, so are you. VNWXYZ. Give me the books you have read. Now we will all play an activity, but with our old friend Balu. Are you all excited to see him? Let's call Balu. Please come in. Hi, Barita. Hi, everyone. Hi, Balu. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I am also good. I hope all the students are very happy to see you. Yay! Now, we would like to play an activity with you. Okay. I will give you a few images on the board. Ooh. You have to guess the answer and tell us the right answer. Sounds interesting. Yes. अब मैं यहाँ पे कुछ चित्र बताऊंगी. आपको उस चित्र को गेस करके बताना है कि वो क्या है. Let's start. What do you think is this image? Is this fox? Yes, it's a fox. Yay! Fox यानी लोमड़ी. Okay, now can you try to guess the next image? Is this boxes? Yes, they are boxes. Let's look at our next image. Is this axe? Yes, it's an axe. Ooh. Very good. All these words, fox, boxes, axe, have X in them. Very good, students. Now let us look at a few more images. Can you tell me what is in this image? Is this a boy? Yes, he is a boy. Now, we will look at another image. Can you tell me what this is? I don't know. No problem. This is a yo-yo.
Ooh.
Yes, we play with yo-yos. Okay, now can you guess what this image is?
Is this yawn?
Yes, it's yawn. Very good. We learned 3 new words. Boy, yo-yo and yawn. All these words have Y in them. Very good. Let's look at a few more images. What do you think this image is?
Is this zebra?
Yes, it's a zebra.
Yay!
Very good. Students, I hope you are also able to guess it. Let's look at the last image.
I know. It's a zip.
Yes, it's a zip.
Yay!
Zebra and zip both start from the letter Z. Very good, students. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now we have one more activity with Balu. Balu, now I will show you some images on the screen. You have to fill in the blanks. For example, let's look at this image. It says the elephant is big, but the mouse is dash.
Let me guess. Small?
Yes. Very good. The mouse is small. Let's look at our second image. It says the pink chair is soft, but the brown chair is dash.
Hard?
Yes, very good. The pink chair is soft, but the brown chair is hard. Great going, students. I hope you are also able to guess it. Let's look at our next image. This says the red shoes are clean, but the blue shoes are dash.
Dirty?
Yes. Don't you see the blue shoes are very dirty? Very good. Let's look at our last image. says the black rock is rough, but the white stone is dash.
Smooth.
Yes,
Yay.
very good. The white stone is smooth. We did so many activities today. All the words that we learned, dirty, clean, rough, smooth, big, small, are all opposite words. I hope you all had fun with me and Balu.
Yay.
Now it's time for all of you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Bye, Balu.
Bye, Parita. Bye, everyone.
Students, did you know that alphabets are best friends of each other? They play and dance and have lots of fun. It is only when these alphabets come together we can make words. But what will happen if these alphabets start fighting? बच्चों, क्या आपको पता है कि अक्षर एक दूसरे के बहुत अच्छे दोस्त होते हैं? वो साथ में खेलते हैं, नाचते हैं और कूदते भी हैं। वो जब साथ में आते हैं तभी हमारे अलग-अलग शब्द बन पाते हैं। लेकिन क्या होगा अगर ये अक्षर एक दूसरे से लड़ने लगे? Are you interested in knowing what happens? Let me read a story to you called Dancing Alphabets, written by Suhaj Mittal. All the alphabets live together in a town of Canada. The name of the town is Alpha. They all have a very special bond and they love spending time together. They dance, they play and they have lots of fun. They complete all the work together. सारे अक्षर एक साथ कनाडा के एक छोटे से टाउन में रहते हैं जिसका नाम अल्फा है। ये अक्षर साथ में खूब मस्ती करते हैं और उनका बहुत अच्छा सा बॉन्ड है। वो सारे काम भी एक साथ मिलके खत्म करते हैं। The Chinese alphabets were jealous of the English alphabet. They made a plan to destroy their friendship. They started creating friendship with the English alphabet and provoked them against each other. They started telling each alphabet, "You are the most important one." Chinese अक्षर को इंग्लिश अक्षर से दुश्मनी होने लगी। उन्होंने वो सारे अक्षर को एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट यानी एक दूसरे के खिलाफ भड़काना शुरू कर दिया। तुम्हें पता है तुम सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो, वो तो कुछ नहीं है। इस तरीके से वो हर इंग्लिश अक्षर को कहते थे। The Chinese letters succeeded in their plan. The English letters started fighting amongst each other. They passed comments on the other letters. The entire environment was very gloomy and the happiness went away. A few wise letters came together to sort out this matter. चाइनीज अक्षर का जो प्लान था वो कामयाब रहा। सारे इंग्लिश लेटर्स एक दूसरे से लड़ने लगे। पूरा वातावरण बहुत मायूस हो गया था। तब कुछ इंग्लिश अक्षर ने साथ में बैठ के प्लान बनाना सोचा। They called for a meeting and they asked all the arrogant letters A, D and R. Why don't you form words by yourselves? A, D and R started trying to form those words, but they failed to do so. They realized that their value is only when they have other letters along with them. They saw the importance of coming together. उन्होंने एक मीटिंग बुलाई जहां पे A, D और R को कहा गया कि आप लोग अपने आप ही शब्द बना लो। A, D और R वो शब्द नहीं बना पाए क्योंकि उनको बाकी अक्षरों की जरूरत थी। इसलिए A, D और R को उनकी कीमत और बाकियों की कीमत भी समझ आई। उनका पावर तभी था जब बाकी के अक्षर भी उनके साथ आते हैं। I hope you all liked this story. Here we saw how all the alphabets have power only when they work together. There is spirit in teamwork. इस कहानी में हमने देखा किस तरीके से सारे अक्षर जब साथ में आते हैं तब शब्द बनाते हैं और उसी में बहुत ज्यादा पावर होता है। I hope you liked this story and today's session. Please sing the alphabet song with your brother or sister that we learned today. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.